TinkerCAD tip. Here's a neat way to use TinkerCAD to make repeating patterns. In this example, I'm going to do a honeycomb pattern. I'm going to start with this six-sided object, a hex. I'm going to do a duplicate. I'm going to come in here and we're going to move the duplicate off a little bit, leaving a gap. Then I'm just going to begin clicking the duplicate button, and each one of those will be spaced exactly the same. I'm going to hit Control A to select all of these. Going to hit duplicate again, and I'm going to move this row over in between and down a little bit so the spacing is the same as our previous spacing. Maybe one more there. Zooming back out. Going to hit Control A to select all of those again. Going to hit duplicate. Going to move these down. Again, repeating that spacing as closely as we can. Looks pretty good. Now I can just hit duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And just like that, we have a repeating pattern. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these and I'm going to save them into the Your Creations or My Creations tab here. We're going to say Create Shape. We're going to just call it Honeycomb. Save that shape. So there's our new honeycomb shape. Now the way we can use this, I'm going to select all of that and delete it. Let's go back to the basic shapes. And let's make let's say a panel out here. We'll make it that large. Make it a little narrower. Now, if I want to put a honeycomb grid into this with holes, I can come back up, go to Your Creations, select my honeycomb. Let's bring that over, and first thing, let's turn these into holes. Okay, now they're all holes. And by grabbing this corner and holding the Shift key, let's scale that down a little bit. We can grab that, center it on this panel, hit D to make sure it's dropped to the build plate, Control A to select all, and merge. And there you have it. Now you have a panel with honeycomb